can I not smell like garlic when I cook with garlic? Why don't you want to smell like garlic? It's gonna be in your hands, in your hair, in your skin. It's good for you. Why would you want to wash away the scent of Mother Nature? For thousands of years, garlic has been the humankind protector. Protecting all of us. Against who? There's been legend, movies, big box office about the vampires. But why the garlic? The garlic was invented by Mother Nature. Why? For the vampire personalities. The ones that come and just fang themselves onto you and they suck the life out of you. Well, you come closer. Can you smell it through the screen? It's so anti-vampire. If you're having a problem, if there's too many people sucking the life out of you, just increase your garlic in your cooking. And this is a pasta with